Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 51 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Review first. 宠物，宠物，宠物 pet. 小狗，小狗，小狗 puppy. 仓鼠，仓鼠，仓鼠 hamster. Now follow me to learn 耐心、激动、生气 in Chinese characters. 耐心。耐心 means patience. 耐心。Patience is a requirement in teaching. 耐心是教学的必备条件。耐心。寸心耐心 patience. The second one for today 激动激动 means excite. 激动。excite 3点水白方反文旁动云烈激动 excite. I'm so excited. 激动 Next one 生气生气生气 means angry. Come on, Mary, don't be angry. 好啦 Mary 不要生气了生气气 angry 生气生气耐心耐心耐心耐心 patience 激动激动激动 excite 生气生气生气 angry. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your DIY Chinese dictionary in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.